up your children, swallowing up a generation. We come by the power of priesthood and we prophesy. Graves, be open. 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 Yes, sir. Be open. Lift up your heads, O ye gates. Be ye lifted up. Ancient doors over New York. Ancient doors over the United States. Be open. Gates, be open. Graves, be open. Scrolls, be open. Destinies, be open. Celebrating for 1 minute. The opening of graves. The opening of doors. Listen, let me tell you this. Some of you, before this meeting is over, as a sign, you will receive strange emails. I'm telling you this by the Spirit of grace. Strange emails. Emails of opportunities restored. Things that were lost, found again. Supernatural jobs. I'm telling you this by the Spirit. We will take testimonies of the mighty hand of God as a sign that the gates are open, as a sign that the graves are open. Open by the Spirit of God. Open by the Spirit of God. Open. Open. We prophesy over graves. We prophesy over doors.